recover Instagram deleted chat. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. This is the desktop page of the Instagram app. Then click on the profile menu at the down of the corner. Then click on the three lines at the right of the corner. After scrolling, you click on the option of your activity. Then click on download your information at the down. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on download or transfer. Select any one account. Next, click on next. Then click on all available information. Then click on this. Then click on next. Then select a date range, last week, last month, which you like to decide. Then save it and pick a delivery method. Write your email address here. Write here email address. Now click on create files. You see that your information is prepared for download. So that is the way to recover your deleted chat. Now click on done. I hope that you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribe to our channel for more valuable contents in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.